we have a problem right here. It's asking find the y prime. So let's see how we can find it. So the first of all, the first thing we have to do is, in this case, we have to differentiate with respect to x. So let's mention that differentiate with respect to x. So that's the first thing you have to do before we differentiate. Let's see what we can do now. So in this case, the first of all, if you look at this one, we have two different thing multiplying each other. Therefore, we had to use product rule. So in this case, if I use the product rule, it's going to be ey prime. According to the product rule, there's a first derivative and the second one multiply itself, and then we're going to be ey times the second derivative, second variable's derivative. So it's going to be ey times cos x prime, and the other side is going to be y prime plus this is two different things multiplying each other. Therefore, the product rule comes again. So this is going to be x prime y plus xy prime. So let's do this one. So before I approach this one, I have to know one common rule for this one. So the derivative of ey prime is equal to ey e to the power y times y prime. So that's what we have to remember before we approach this question. So in this case, we have ey prime right here. So I can also let's see. So also cos x prime, we have to know that. So cos x prime is actually equal to minus sin x. So that's what we have to remember. And now let's substitute. So if I substitute ey prime for this one, it's going to be e power y times y prime, and cos x is going to be remaining the same, and the other side is going to be minus sin x. So therefore I bring the minus in front of this one, and it's going to be e to the power y sin x. And in the other side, y prime is going to be remaining the same, and x to the power 1 x prime is going to be it's going to be 1 come in the front, and x 1 minus 1 is going to be 0. So anything to the power of 0 is going to be 1. Therefore it's going to be just 1 y, so it's going to be just y. So I just place the y right here, and xy prime is going to be remaining the same. It's going to be xy prime. And then we have found all the derivatives already, all the possible derivatives. Now what we have to do is we have to bring all the y prime to the one side, because our purpose is to find the y prime. Therefore I bring all the y prime to the one side. So let's see what happens after this. So ey y prime cos x minus y prime minus xy prime, and I take the others to the other side, and it's going to be y plus e power y sin x, and that is it. And then since our purpose is to find y prime, since if you look at the other side, we have three y primes right here, so we have to separate the y prime. So to separate the y prime, what I can do is I can take the y prime common, so it will become as 1, and we can find the y primes so easily. So let's see what we can do. So if we take the y prime common, it comes out to be e power y cos x minus 1 minus x, and in the other side it's going to be remaining the same, y plus ey sin x. Now if I take the y prime is going to be equal to this. If this one go to the other side, it's going to divide, so it's going to become y plus e power y sin x over e power y cos x minus 1 minus x. So this is my final answer. That's all it is. This is how we approach these kind of questions. I hope you guys understood this concept. See you next time.